today we're going to do mod number 3. Mod number 3. So as you can see, it's a little bit sag. And just to help with stability, we're going to put on some of these Timbrens So they come with this is everything they come with. You can also put the spacers on if you want the spacers. I think these are mostly for maybe a lifted truck, but we're not going to do the spacers today. Alright, so we are going to attempt to put these on. So I will get back to you guys and let you know how it went after I get them on. Say good luck. Okay, old bump stop. Taking this off. 2 bolts. Taking both these off. Okay, get them off. Come on. So we'll get these off, the other one's on.